Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the all-new 2021 Nissan Rogue Platinum. This is a very, very nice vehicle. Huge improvement over the previous generation, which was it looked very rental car-esque, whereas this definitely looks a lot more upscale. This one here, as tested, 39060, base price for the Platinum of a 36830. Finished here in color, please. Where do you put the colors again? Gun metallic, probably gunmetal metallic, with the interior of charcoal. Platinum is the top of the line for this Rogue, so the fact that it comes in under $40,000 is pretty impressive, and that's before any rebates and such. This one here is powered by a 2.5 liter dual overhead cam 4-cylinder, 181 horsepower, 181 pound-feet of torque with the Xtronic CVT. Does have manual mode with your paddle shifters, which we will try out as well. Warm. Do also have a heads-up display. You can change information and such on that. You have steering assist, which is available with the cruise control on. You can control all your driver settings there. Did I just seriously close it on my own jacket? Good amount of space in the glove box. Huh. That's pencil marks straight from Japan. Wow. That's pretty cool. All your pre-delivery stuff. You can open up your panoramic sunroof. This one is, of course, a sliding visor, which, if you don't know what that's for, so if your son is right here, you can do that. If you don't have a sliding visor, some of them have a little piece that you can extend there. Reversing camera. Then you can go straight back for drive. Mirror, please. Thank you. There we go. This Rogue is a very, very nice vehicle, especially for the price point. Nissan is very good at providing some great values in the market, and this is no exception. Under $40,000, there's not a lot of other SUVs that are to this level. It's a very, very quiet car to drive too. Platform's very, very smooth. It's a very relaxing vehicle to drive. You can see here we have the new one right next to the previous gen. You can see the design cues are still there, but the new one just looks a lot better. This thing is also a tank in that snow. You can go ahead, put it into snow mode. You have off-road, snow, automatic, eco, and sport. For the most part, I've been driving it in sport, and it actually is very fun to drive. Didn't expect it, especially with only 181 horsepower. No turbo or anything like that. Just, I'm sure they'll put a turbo in this eventually. But as of right now, it's actually very, very good for what it is. Over the big bump, you can tell the suspension's really, really well tuned. There's no after effects over that speed bump or anything like that. You do have, if you don't want to hold the brake, you have auto hold, so it will hold the brake for you until you hit the gas. I like the feature, but if you don't like it, you can always disable it. Go ahead, I'll put it into off-road mode. Over these bumps. Handles them with ease. Take the speed bump a little bit faster. Yeah, that's awesome. Guess they're moving around the Broncos. It's pretty cool. it up. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.